Another fish. I think it's pickerel. Pickerel, bass. Bass. He ate that like he was supposed to. Check that out. Just a baby. Not big at all. Back in to grow bigger shoulders.
A lot bigger in there.
Lake. Black River Lake. If it's me, it's Blackwood Lake. If it's anybody else in Nova Scotia, it's Black River. Still got him. Number 6, little fella, no big one yet.
Come here, bub. Look at the teeth on him. Let me get this hook out of his mouth. We'll show you the teeth. Look at that. Ain't that pretty?
Beautiful.
That little killer.
Got another little fish, little bass. Little perch. I've never tomato. The old tomato, he's got some life in him. The old perch. Now, this is not the same perch that I usually catch. In the not Miramichi, but the St. John River. A white perch. Okay, yeah. I usually catch yellow perch. But yeah. As you can tell, there's a bunch of water in the boat. It was all the way up underneath that second seat. Had a little mishap out there in reverse with the waves. Mind you, they might not look that big, but they're a little bit bigger when you're in reverse. Took on a lot of water, and this is just what's left. All in all, it's a great day. What is it? Black River, Black River Lake. I can never get that right. Yeah, just pumping out water, just the way it is. We're gonna be fishing in no time. Eating in no time. Oh yeah, barbecue set up, the whole nine. Drinking.
Barbecue.
Oh yeah, clothes for sure. Since you are completely in your jeans.
I'll go up to here. All right. No worries. Probably 99% my fault. 1% mixed response and you like to take it, so.
So anyways, I guess what Bass Pro Shop said, it is true. You get enough water in the boat, it won't sink. It didn't sink. Didn't have it on camera, but the boat did not sink. It kept the motor up out of the water a little bit. Once she gets all pumped out and set and dried for a little while, we'll try everything back out, take it for a test spin. Just a reminder, folks, always wear your life jackets. Yeah, just have a good time, you know, living it, camping. 7 o'clock in the morning. Beautiful way to wake up. This is Colton's little setup. Little hammock tent. And we got a tent. And my little rig. And a tarp with hammock and sleeping accommodations. She was windy. Yesterday evening, coming in to cook some supper, waves were half decent. Water was coming in over the back of the boat, and it was in reverse. So let's just put it this way: the boat had water into it, level with the seats all the way to the front. Boat never sank, which was good. Of course, GoPro was not on at that point. Just more concerned about getting the boat to shore. So, there will be a picture. Did get a few snapshots of it. Other than that, it was a good day. Even that wasn't that bad, but hopefully this morning I'll do some more fishing.
I was thinking about what happened yesterday. You said you wanted your boat washed, so I washed it for you.
I washed it for you.
I give it a deep cleaning.
A true deep clean.
And the tackle boxes, and the rods.
Tack boxes, rods,
Whatever that.
the toilet paper. Boat never sank. Props to Tractor for having the foam in the seats. For what they said, the boat won't sink.